What's going on, Workaholics? Welcome back to my channel. It's AmyJ. Today I have a vlog for you guys. I have an open house, so Tony and I have a lot to do to prep for it, and then we also hope to get a lot done while we're there. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I almost just ignored this whole situation, but my toddler messed up my printer, and I'm trying to print some of this stuff out before I even leave out. So he messes up the printer. It is completely disconnected from Wi-Fi. I haven't had to mess with this thing in years to reconnect it to Wi-Fi. So I'm over here trying to figure out how to hurry up and get this stuff printed so I can stay on schedule. I finally got it, but man, toddlers, right? Like toddlers. If you feel my pain, then you feel my pain. All right, I gotta go. So now we just had to stop at the office really quickly because we got to pick up some signs and a little bit of paperwork before we get to the open house. This is the last stop. Hi.
Hi, sorry, I was talking to Zero.
Oh. Say hi, Wendy.
Hi.
See you later. You hear that sandpaper?
You are disrespectful.
We are here sitting outside. Tony's about to put the signs out, and then we're about to go ahead and get inside and you know, just hopefully make a good impression on everybody that comes in and see if there's some interest on this house today.
Alright, we're going through the house. When you do open house, you gotta turn all the lights on. Make sure there's no surprises. Beautiful house. Oh, look at this closet. I just love that. Nice.
Alright guys, so we have a little treat for you. We actually do not have our refreshments here, but we DoorDashed them, so they will be coming from a place that will be sending them out individually wrapped. So boom, when you don't have time, thank you DoorDash. Although the fees are ridiculous, sometimes it comes in handy. Alright, we got a couple little refreshments. Something better than nothing. Thanks for thinking of the second option.
No problem.
And making lemonade out of lemons.
You have to. Closing time.
All right, guys. So we are at the time to end this thing and get everything cleaned up. A few people came, not as many as we had hoped, but you know, people are still pretty weird about coming out right now, which is totally understandable. But hopefully, out of the people who did come, one of them will go ahead and buy this house. And we got to go ahead and clean up now, get the signs up, and head on out. We got to take the kids for frozen yogurt. We promised them once we get back that we'll take them for frozen yogurt, and then that is the end of our day. So we will see y'all in our next video.
Peace out. Thanks for watching.